Good morning, everyone. Do you like 21:9 aspect ratio? It's very wide. What I have here is the latest and greatest GoPro 9 Black Series. It will give you pictures up to 20 megapixels, video resolution up to 5K 30 frames per second. You can dive with it with 10 meters, voice control, 8 times slow motion, data overlay, we like it, time warp 3.0, up to full HD for live streaming, definitely test the live streaming, super photo plus HDR, RAW, webcam mode, and touchscreen, of course. I love the smell of the brand new GoPro. Just insane. Let's open it. What's inside? We have the beautiful pouch. Oh wow, oh wow. With the GoPro stuff here. GoPro. QR code, pause the video if you want to scan it. Oh wow. Smells nice. I already told. Oh, GoPro stickers. That's what we need. And huge manual. USB Type-C cable. Battery, which is I don't know, it looks bigger on the internet. Yeah, that's the exact model number. Brand new. Look at the date. Insane. Insane. Okay. So mounting gear. Well, I probably don't need this one. Anyway, that's the GoPro. Yes. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's a little big, my friend. It's a little big. Look, compared to the Osmo, it is way bigger, my friend. Way bigger. Satisfaction. Okay, it feels big and heavy. That's the door. You just put it down a little bit and slide it out. Okay. There's a hole for the memory card. USB Type-C. Okay, legs. Let's pull the legs. I think this is a speaker and this is a microphone. I could be wrong. There's another microphone here and another here. Huge power button. Side button. And this is microphone. For what? How do you explain it in English? If you sync this GoPro, the water will be removed via this holes. I don't know, my English is not that great. Read the manual. Let me apply a battery. Let's see what. Yep. GoPro. There's an update available. So we have to update, but I have a 6% of the battery. You need to charge it and then update. You need at least 50%. I have a feeling you don't care about the settings. All you care is about video quality. And you're right. Let's compare it to the Osmo Action. It was the first and it's half the price. Let's do it. Welcome to the Extreme Stabilization tab. That's the bike. This bike doesn't have any suspension at all. It's hardcore. You can see this is all steady. No suspension anywhere. Very thick tires. Maximum pressure. Okay, so rock steady on Osmo is set. 4K 60. Hyper Smooth 3.0 GoPro 9 is set. 4K 60. In here we have asphalt, yes, but right there it's a brick road and it's extremely bumpy. See, it will be insane.
tested all kinds of cameras and none of them passed the test with flying colors. None of them. Let's test GoPro 9. God damn it. Oh. And like you just saw, even the mountain brackets can handle the stress. It's insane. Insane.
Let's test the hyperlapse. I just press a recording. I didn't set anything. This is factory hyperlapse. Just press recording and here you go. Look. Insanely good. Insane. Very smooth. Well, the weather is not the greatest now, so the light is not the greatest. But look at the colors, look at the resolution, look how smooth this goes. No distortions. I like it. I'm going uphill here a little bit. There's a lot of traffic in the city. And now I want to show you one scene. Okay, with the sun. Okay, now more light to the lens, and there you go. Look, insanely good, way better. Yeah, we need some light to the lens. There it is. Very, very nice.
So this is a 5K, custom 5K, narrow, so it should be narrow, no, not wide angle lens. How's it looking? If I move the camera quickly, you will see a little bit of tearing, and the front screen is only 5 frames per second, which is insane. Insane, you know, but this is 5K. So, okay. What about? Wait, let me spin it. Okay, what about now? Do we have a lot of tearing? Let me spin it quickly. What if I just stop for a little bit? 5K. Okay. 5K footage. GoPro 9. If you see a lot of tearing, just let me know in a comment on this video. Okay, let me test the lens mode. Is it upside down now? It should be still in the same. It should be not upside down. What about now when I spin it? Still upside down? Maybe now? Oh, what about now? I am spinning the camera. What about microphones? Let's try the water test. How quick is it going to dissolve the water, this special microphone? We're going to the water right now. Okay, how can you hear me now? Is the audio quality muted? Muted, but worse. Now I see a little bit of water in this microphone. Let me just shake the camera a little bit. Shake. shake it, shake it, shake it. What about now? What about sound quality? Let me shake a little more. Okay, I'll shake a little bit more. Now the sound quality should be way better. Let me use some air. What about now? Good? Yes. I don't know, because I don't hear it. Let's test the macro in 5K. Okay, let me use wrist mount. Let me tell you, it's the way better option than mounting on the handlebar. It's a small, like, see, more flexible. That's the wide angle lens from the wrist. It's insane how wide this is. And this is on the normal lens. Imagine what will happen if you get this modern lens, just extra in accessories. Insane. And then this happened. Ouch. Drops on the asphalt. Brand new GoPro. God damn. I just dropped my GoPro. See a little scratch there. A little, but no scratch on the lens. Yes, the screen is perfect. Damn, my friend, what failed? This failed. This cheap Chinese freaking thing failed me. Well, small scratch, nothing really happened. And this is replaceable, so you can replace this one. It'd be like new, no worries. Vlogging with Go. We bought a couple of twists. This is a VG twist and normal twist with orange and 9. Because why not? GoPro power? Yes, it is working. Very nice. So let's test it. Okay, let me just let's try this one. This one, VG one, is disgusting. Let's do this one. Way better. Orange, lime, and yogurt. Question is, how can you hear me with this GoPro 5G after the drop and water test? is the audio still working? That's the question. Very tasty. Okay, let's take this one. This VG thing is very disgusting. I don't like it. I bought it, so I have to drink it. I'll never buy this again. Very disgusting. This one is another story. So is this good for vlogging? Oh no. The wide angle lens is insane. Any scratches on the lens? How's the video? Really good. Okay, I don't see any distortions or anything. Really good. So GoPro is fine. Which one is better? They're both great cameras. GoPro definitely needs a firmware update. Let me explain. Osmo Action, side button. When I hold the side button, I can switch between the screens. Now the back screen is off and the front screen is on. Again, front off, rear on. Again, I can vlog very easy. Now, let me switch it again. With the GoPro, you need to go to the menu, find the option. It's
It's complicated. It's getting too long, too much time. Now, and when you find it, when it's turned on, the both screens are on. So why do you need both screens to be on? It will drain your battery. It needs to be updated. It needs to work like a Osmo. Other than that, it's a great device, but it's a bit expensive. It costs twice than Osmo Action. So, which one do you choose? 2 Osmo Actions or 1 GoPro at the same price? Well, I will probably choose Osmo because the video quality and the pictures are really, really good, and it's half the price. But if you want the latest and greatest and you have tons of money, then go with the GoPro. And there you have it. These need more updates, and it will have more updates. It's a brand new device, so they will push those updates probably very, very quickly. Waiting for the Osmo Action 2 be awesome. I don't know what they do with the second one, because this one has almost everything. Yeah. More resolution, maybe. Well, it's insanely good camera. And there you have it, folks. GoPro 9. It has all kinds of different features, but we will make another video because that was just unboxing. Sorry, it was insanely long. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.